everyone, in the last video we have discussed about what is one-way threaded binary tree. In this video we'll talk about double-way threaded binary tree. Let's start. So we have two types of binary tree. One is one-way threaded and another one is double-way threaded. So we are done with one-way threaded. Now we'll talk about double-way threaded. In double-way threaded binary tree, if null pointer exists, then it will point to its in-order predecessor or successor. If in-order predecessor or successor exists, then it will point to those nodes. Now, how we can create the double-way threaded binary tree or doubly threaded binary tree? Now, at first we'll go for the successor, then we'll go for the predecessor. So this is the in-order traversal for this tree. Now at first we'll create the one-way threaded binary tree. So 1 will point its successor, that is 2, 3 will point its successor, that is 4, 5 will point its successor, that is 6, and 7 has no successor, that's why it will be null. Now we'll talk about the predecessor. So now it's a one-way threaded binary tree. Now we'll talk about that, how we can convert this into a double-way threaded binary tree. Now 1 has no predecessor. Now 3 has predecessor. Yeah, 3 has predecessor. So 3 will point to 2 because 2 is the predecessor of 3. Now 5 has predecessor. Yes, that is 4. So 5 will point to 4. Now 7 has predecessor. Yeah, 7 has predecessor. That is 6. So we'll just connect our 7 with 6. And every time we have to keep in mind that we have to deal with the null pointer. If it has any predecessor or successor and it has any null pointer, then only we'll connect all those nodes. So I think this portion is clear that how we can construct a double-way threaded binary tree. If you have any doubt, just write in the comment section. See you in the next video.